Winter's Craft Garden. Yeah! Hi guys, it's your girl Winter, back with another episode. It's Halloween time, so it's the Halloween vibe. Let's let all the creepy, spooky creatures come crawling out. For today's craft, we're going to need glue, newspaper, a hot glue gun, and a construction paper cape, a bow tie, a Sharpie, popsicle sticks, and some other stuff. Bye, mailbox. Thanks for the spooky supplies. We are going to be making a vampire magnet, aka Dracula.
The Prince of Darkness and Doom.
You need the newspaper as like a little placemat. Ooh, burgers. First, you need your cardstock and align your popsicle sticks on top of it. Now I'm going to use tape to reinforce it. Once the tape is on, you can glue it to the cardstock for extra reinforcement. 1 hocus pocus eye, 2 hocus pocus eyes. Next, I need black paint to paint his hair and his clothes. Ta-da! Next, we're gonna glue the red cape on the back. So we're gonna take your trapezoid, flip it upside down. Then we're gonna put it at the tippy top of the black. I'm gonna do fangs this time. Haha, look at my fangs. My Dracula. Now you're gonna put the white rectangle right down the middle. So I'm gonna do stitches. Those aren't my best stitches, but I tried. Now we're gonna do the bow tie. Just gonna do a little dot right here. Next, I'm gonna make 3 buttons on the white. Now we're gonna do googly eyes. Dab of glue. We need to make the very thing that makes Dracula, his fangs. So we're gonna do a little smile with the black marker. And then we're gonna take 2 little triangles as fangs. Dracula. Last, I'm going to put the magnet on the back. We're going to use the glue stick and the glue gun. Caution! Caution! This is very hot, and what's even the hottest is the tip. So be very careful with adult supervision. And there you have your Dracula. What do you think of yourself? I think I look very cute. Thank you, Winter. Thank you, Gardeners. Hi guys, you're in for a special treat. Yes, trick or treat Halloween treat. I'm going to be doing my first unboxing video. I'm so excited. Gardeners, what do you think it will be? I mean, it could be literally anything. I seriously have no idea what this is. Opening cautiously. feels like a square. It's Harry Potter. It's a wand. The Thestral, inspired by the black skeletal winged horse, bring pause to many superstitious witch or wizard. The Thestral's wand is designed for their haunting likeness wrapped around wood, symbolizing forbidden forest. Although these creatures are associated with misfortune, this design is for people who can see beauty in all things. It's a Harry Potter wand. It's not heavy, it's actually pretty light. It looks very interesting. Very pretty. On the more wandy part, it feels, I can't exactly describe this, like sanded bark. It's smooth and a little bit rough. Wingardium Leviosa. Wingardium Leviosa. Let me give this thing a bit of a whirl. I need some practice. Bye, gardeners. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe. Bye. I like it. I'm so excited I finally got the wand. My Harry Potter wand. This is a levitation spell. Wingardium Leviosa! Nothing happened. Wingardium Leviosa! Gardeners, nothing works. I just can't make anything levitate. I better go work on my magic.